Hi guys, my name is Jazz and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I discuss everything fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And it's already Christmas time. It's December and it's Christmas time. This has been the fastest, slowest year ever. But I really want to make things easier by preparing like a holiday gift guide of all the things that are good gifts. I have like maybe one thing for men, but most of it's for women. But just cool things I think that'll be great gifts for either your friend, your mom, whoever. So if you want to see some great gifts for 2020 Christmas, stay tuned. First, if you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe right here, right now. I upload once a week. But let's get into the gift guides, which I think you should get, you know, anybody you love or care about. So the first brand that kind of like surprised me this year, they actually like stepped up. They have like really great products. It's Good Molecules. They have a few like bundles on their website that's good for like obviously gift giving, but everything on the site is so like it's pretty inexpensive. Everything's under like $10 that if you wanted to give somebody a gift, you can kind of make your own little basket, which I like. If you get somebody something, the discoloration correcting serum is like one of my favorite products this year. But also the toner is amazing. The moisturizer, like everything I've tried from the brand like hasn't like done me wrong at all. So if you have somebody in your family who's like a skincare junkie who likes to try new things, definitely get them something from Good Molecules. It's so worth it. And you know, it's like, it doesn't hurt the pockets, which I like. And the next thing I'm going to show you guys is makeup. So makeup lovers, I got this palette this year. This is the Pat McGrath Celestial palette. And I apologize if you guys can't see. I'm doing my best, but this palette is like beautiful. Great for holiday looks, great for like, you know, just fun looks. Not an everyday palette, but something really special. Again, it'll be great for somebody who loves makeup, likes to try new things, and Pat McGrath is like one of the best brands like ever. So they will appreciate it because, you know, her stuff is quality and it costs. So I know if somebody gifted that to me, I'll be like, oh, thank you. So that is definitely a good gift that you should get. So as you guys can see, like I love makeup. So the next thing, which is a great gift, is the Rare Beauty blushes. Now, one thing I love about this brand is that they're cruelty-free. It's pretty easy for anybody to use, and the color of the blushes are not overwhelming. So even if you may be like a makeup novice, you're not gonna be like, oh, I don't know what blush color, a pink, a purplish color, depending on the person's complexion. But these blushes are amazing. I believe they're $29 each. So even if you, I know a lot of people when I worked in Sephora back in the day, they always like to get somebody like a bunch of different things and make kind of like their own little basket. So if you are one of those people who wants to do that kind of thing, I definitely recommend checking out the Rare Beauty blushes. They are awesome. The colors I have are Lucky, Faith, and Love. And these like work really, really well for my complexion. Even if you were lighter than me, they're really good. Like the quality is amazing. This is one launch I like was so impressed this year. So the next thing I'm going to mention, if you guys are not familiar with the brand Mented, they are a Black-owned cosmetic line. They launched this year bronzers, and I got the shade, I believe, what is it called? I forget, but once I remember, I'll of course like put it down on the screen below. But they have a great set, which comes with the blush. It comes with the blush and the bronzer. So even if they have good models on their website, so even if you're not sure which bronzer shades to kind of get your, you know, your friend or whoever, like you kind of like figure it out. So if they're fair, they'll be the lightest. If they're kind of my shade, they'll be the middle. And if they're more on the deeper side, they will have the deepest blush that they have, but it comes with the matching kind of blush that will actually go together well. And I believe that's $40, but that is like a really great gift. And also, if you weren't gonna do like the blush slash bronzer duo, they have really cool lipstick sets that I'll show you guys here that are actually gifts as well. Still in the beauty world, I got a gift set for myself this year from Sunday Riley. It was called the Go to Bed gift set, which I'll show you guys. Now this gift set was awesome because even if you want to get it for somebody who's a little bit older, like maybe your mom or even like a friend, it just has everything. It has like retinol, it has like an essence in there, a moisturizer, a cleanser. But one of the highlights in the actual, I guess, set for me was the pink drink. I love this. And the retinol, which has done wonders for my skin. So if you're looking at gift sets at Sephora, definitely look at Sunday Riley because They definitely have sets that are more for like AM. So if you're looking for a set for maybe your mom or sister that has like moisturizer and vitamin C, you can do that. But also a good nighttime routine, like without being offensive and saying like, hey, you're old, you know? Like you don't want to just tell somebody like, hey, you're aging. So this is a good set for somebody who's entering, like, you know, I'm 30, like in my 30s. So, you know, I'm aging, but it doesn't call them old. So if you were looking at the Sunday Riley Says, definitely check that one out. That's a really good set and it's good value. So it's $93, but you get like a ton of things. If you guys are looking for a brand of just kind of like men's beard grooming or men's body wash, definitely check out the brand called Scotch Porter. They're another Black owned brand. I met the owners. They're so nice. They're sold on their website. I believe right now everything is like an additional 50% off. Don't quote me. If it's not that sale, I definitely will correct it down below. But they have great lotions, great like beard stuff for guys. Like it smells so good. I even wanted to use it, but a really great brand if you're looking for something for your boyfriends or like your dads. And then they have beards, really great products. Next, back into skincare, I'm gonna jump really quick. So I tried the brand this year, Hyper Skin. This is actually empty, but it's another Black owned business and it's a vitamin C serum. So again, for anybody who's making like gift baskets or knows somebody who's really into skincare, this vitamin C serum is amazing. One thing I love about it, it's like you get 0.5, so it's really potent, but really good for somebody who's loves skincare, looking for a vitamin C serum. I loved it, had great results. And this size here is $36, so it's a really good value and it's a really great product. The next thing, I'm kind of going into like fashion now and like accessories and things for the home. So if you were able to get this for somebody in your life, then you'll probably be like the bestest friend ever, the bestest husband ever, or whoever, or best partner ever, is if you can get somebody a Telfair bag. I'm trying to do this right now currently, and it's hard because they're all sold out, but with Telfair, usually they'll do like a random drop, so I'm still trying to be that lucky person who could get another one, but this bag is so like high in demand, so if you're able to get this for somebody who's definitely into like street style, like fashion, that is an amazing gift, like a really amazing gift. Let me know in the comments if you were able to snag like a Telfair bag this year, but it even made Oprah's like list of favorite things, so that's how you know like it's really legit. The next thing, so I love candles, and I don't really know anybody who's not into candles, but there's a brand, I don't even know if I know how to say it right, but Frez Bracho. Oh God, I probably butchered it. But anyways, they have amazing candle scents. The one I got was called A Woman's Work. It's 100% organic. And if you haven't heard of this brand, it's started by like 3 young Black men who wanted to start a business, like what you never hear of, and they started candles, and they have been like so successful. A lot of their candles might even be sold out. That's how successful they are, but you know, that's a good problem to have. Next, of course, our favorite Jackie Aina has a brand of candles. I haven't tried them yet. Forever Mood. I know a lot of people love the cupping seasons if somebody you're into loves like warmer tones, so that's a great choice for a gift as well. If you guys are into body butters or know somebody who loves body butters and lotions, check out this brand. It's called Marche Organic Beauty. Such a great brand. I have one of their lotions. I forget the scent I have, but of course I'll put it down here. But really great quality, 100% natural, 100% clean. Another Black owned business. Like this year is all about Black owned businesses, and I'm going to mention them every chance I get. So definitely check out Marche Organic Beauty. Again, great body butters, great lotions, great body washes. And lastly, if you go on Etsy, they have like all these cool like Black owned shops that you can shop, whether you're looking for artwork, jewelry. And I thought it was like really cool. I know they did that about a few months back, but they have one artist, I forget her name, it's Lovely Earthlings. I'm sorry, I will link it down below. Beautiful pictures. The artwork is fairly inexpensive, but it's so like beautiful, and you could do so much with it and like the spaces that you guys have. But definitely check that out if you're someone who's looking to give somebody some really cool artwork. Lastly, I'm gonna just mention some cool fashion brands that I think you guys should check out if you're looking for cool gifts. So the first one's Urban Mermaid, another Black owned brand. So they have amazing vintage, they have cool accessories like cool totes, which make great gifts. I have their sweatsuit that I wear all the time. That's another amazing gift, and cool graphic tees. So perfect for anybody who is a graphic tee person. Like, I love graphic tees. They go with so much. You know, we are entering the loungewear year, so definitely check them out. Also, check out another brand, another woman black owned brand, Shopaholic. So I have a few of their t-shirts, like this one for instance, and I'll show, of course, link everything down below. But another brand of cool tees, cool accessories. Like, it's really good for, like, Urban Mermaid and Shopaholic are really great for that person who you know likes cool things but you don't know what to get them because they have everything. Definitely check those brands out because they have some really, really cool stuff. Guys, that was everything from my 2020 Christmas guide. Let me know in the comments if you found that to be helpful, if you found that you're gonna get something that I listed below. I tried to make this like short and sweet, but really just cute gifts, fun gifts. Especially when you don't really know what to get somebody, and like probably for myself right now, I probably should stop recording and like actually start my shopping because I haven't started. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Be sure to like this video and subscribe if you made it this far. You should definitely subscribe. But until next time, guys, be safe, have an amazing holiday, and be well. Bye.